A decision in a federal court of appeals struck down California regulations on concealed weapons. This after some counties denied citizens permits to carry firearms in public, saying residents must show good cause to legally carry a concealed weapon. The 2-1 decision found permit restrictions unconstitutional as the Second Amendment guarantees the right to bear arms, including the right to carry weapons in public. 23 ABC's John Genovese spoke with local gun owners and the sheriff about what this ruling could mean for Kern County.
It's a constitutional amendment. That's all in the name.
I believe that armed society is a polite society.
Alex Bowman with Second Amendment Sports says there's several steps required for a concealed carry permit.
You have to be over 21, have a clean record, and able to show cause why you feel you're at higher risk of being attacked than an average person.
Now it's the cause that's come into question. Yesterday, a federal appeals court struck down California rules that allow counties to restrict how permits are issued.
Giving people the right and the ability to defend themselves legally is a step in the right direction.
And sportsmen agree.
Having, some type of security would be something that, would actually be a benefit to that individual or individuals.
But critics say if the ruling is upheld, more concealed weapons could mean more violence in local communities. In a published interview, Jonathan Lowy with the Brady Center to Prevent Gun Violence said the parents of Jordan Davis and Trayvon Martin, whose children were killed by licensed concealed carry holders, could educate the court on the real dangers posed by this legal error.
I'm in favor of the ruling, but I think the sheriff still has to have the ability to say no.
The ruling means self-defense and self-protection would be valid reasons for a CCW permit.
Cause is a very subjective term and an unfair term, quite frankly.
The court's decision will likely be appealed and could make its way to the Supreme Court, something sportsmen say they'll be keeping their sights on.
We'll be definitely watching very closely, very interested to see how this all plays out.
John Genovese, 23 ABC.
And Sheriff Youngblood told us that Kern County has issued around 6,000 CCW permits. That's more per capita than any other county in our state. He also said he'd be surprised if that ruling isn't overturned by future courts.